Hi, everybody. My name is Rawu. I'm the head of sales with IdentityMind. This is my partner, Fazal Nisar, director of product. Thanks for your attention this morning. We're going to introduce to you our digital identity platform. We are a trusted digital identity company. We were founded in 2013. We've built over 225 million digital identities to date. That's a global number. And our platform is designed really to answer 4 questions. 1, is this a real identity? 2, is this person authorized to use that identity? 3, can you do business with this person? And 4, and most importantly, what is the risk of doing business with this person at this particular point in time? So at this point, I'll turn it over to Fazal, who will demonstrate the platform and the GUI.
Okay. Hi, everyone. We are here to introduce our digital identities-based KYC product, which can be used for customer onboarding or step-up identity verification. So the focus of this product was for our fellow fintech and financial institutions to verify the identity of a user, making sure that the user is real, making sure that the identity provided by the user actually does belong to them, determining if you can do business with them from a regulatory perspective, and if you should do business with them from a risk perspective. So I will walk you through how digital identities-based KYC product can answer these questions and how you can protect your platform from synthetic and stolen identities. So I'll divide the demo in 2 phases. In first phase, we'll go over customer onboarding, KYC plugin, and in the second, we'll review the results of the KYC using digital identities. So we have made it very simple for you to provide a great customer experience for your users. And it is very important to note that you have to collect the right information the first time from the user. So this is our plugins platform where you can go ahead and create your onboarding form. So in this example, let's go ahead and create a form. And click Save. So what this does is it just creates a form. So what you can do is that it has a drag and drop editor. So where you can go ahead and customize the form per your own business needs, and you can collect additional information from the user as well. So in this case, let's go ahead and just change the header. And then the settings are also available of this onboarding module. So you have your general settings, you have your GDPR, it's GDPR compliant, your document verification, and how to embed this form within a web page securely. So let's go ahead and publish the form and view. So this is the URL which you will use to embed the form within your own sites. So there are multiple variants of the same onboarding form or the KYC plugin. So in this example, the second one is for your fintech or financial institution. So if you want to collect additional information, you can go ahead and do that. Then KYC for ICOs, and I'll talk a little bit about that. And then the form being the GDPR compliant as well. So for the ICOs, so after all the information is collected, personal information is collected, in addition to that, you can also collect wallet address on which we will do risk assessment as part of onboarding. Then let's say if a user was coming from any of the EU regions, then we can simulate that, okay, a user came from UK, then they will see the GDPR consent form. So we are fully compliant from a GDPR perspective, collecting the consent, storing the consent, right to erasure, and only calling and doing verification with parties who are GDPR compliant. So in this example, what would happen is that a user would basically fill out a form, and then once he has submitted a form, this information goes to our digital identities platform. What happens in digital identities platform is that once the information is submitted, identity verification is performed. That's the very first thing. Each entity of the user is evaluated for risk in the context of a user. Our eDNA detects identity fabrication. Our eDNA detects identity manipulation. It performs entity link analysis, and digital identity is created. So let me show you the, let's log in into our eDNA platform.
The design of the platform is also not just for onboarding, but ongoing monitoring as well. Many of our customers use us to monitor money movement for anti-money laundering purposes on their users, or even e-commerce transactions to see and aggregate the behaviors of these users.
Okay. So in this example, a user, C. Johnson, fill out an application form and a digital identity was formed. So if you look over here, our system, eDNA, marked this as an identity fraud with synthetic identity with a high risk. So you can see over here, Jay Schneider, this is all the information about this user, and what C. Johnston did is he took some elements of Schneider's identity, which was verifiable, and tried to onboard using that. So that is a synthetic case where he was trying to fraudulate the system. So after each identity is evaluated, so our system determines it's an identity fraud and marks this digital identity as suspicious. So doing this kind of evaluation is very, very challenging using a rule-based system. You look over here at the bottom, so all the additional third-party tests are run in addition to the digital identity, and you get an overall view. So digital identities-based KYC is an end-to-end KYC solution, starting from great user experience, great onboarding, collecting the right set of data, and evaluating using digital identities.
So thanks for your time, everybody. We'll be in the back, of course, and we'll also be contactable from the mobile app. Thanks, everybody. Have a good day.